Hello everyone, so this is Jenny or the Kawaii Fish, and I'll be showing you my squishy collection, which has been requested for so long now, but I just have not gotten to it. Anyways, let's get right into it. Starting off, I have my Maru Jumbo Banana Pancake. I have the Maru Butter Pancake. I also have blueberry. I have the blueberry challah pie. I have the strawberry pie. And I have this purple pie. I have this Cutie Creative Deep Sea Kiwi green jellyfish. I have the purple octopus. I have the pink squid. I also have a double, the green one. I have the red octopus. And I have the neat green one. I have this pawpaw corgi, and this one is the fall one, I believe. I have this kimono Japanese doll. I have this I Bloom Tea Time bear. It's so slow. I have this cat animal dinner. This is the pink cat design. I have this Chawa Mafia cat. I have this Chawa Frenchie. I also have this other blueberry pancake. I have this Yummy Bear Strawberry Mermaid. This original mermaid. I have this creamy candy seashell, and this is the lighter one. I have the darker blue one. And I have the rainbow one. And then I have this little Yummy Bear mascot. I have this Maru puppy bun. I have the kitty bun. And I also have another one of these cat donuts. I I have this mini yummy bear blueberry pancake. This tiny little marshmallow. I have this Punimaru, or no, creamy candy galaxy heart donut. And I also have this rainbow creamy candy heart donut. I have this Cutie Creative steam bun. This heart peanut butter and jelly toast by Cafe Dien. I have this rainbow M&M cookie by Cafe Dien. I have this powdered churro by Cafe Dien. I have these pastry petite tarts, vanilla one and the chocolate based. I have these little Shibuya brick toast. I have this little chawa loaf. And I have all the colors of these eggs, and I forgot the name, so here's the yellow one, blue one, green one, and here's the red one. Here I also have a set of the J Dream mini bread squeeze toys. So here's the melon pan. Here is the curry bread. Here is this bun, and here is the cornet. And then I have a bunch of these I Bloom little mini toasts. I'll show you them. Here's this toast. Bread loaf. Little melon bun. This melon pan. This dessert bread thing. Bread.
This other bun. I have this other curry bread. I have a sesame melon bun. This loaf. And then another loaf.
I also have two Punimaru little citrus squishies. So here is the lemon, and here is the lime. I lost the orange. Rest in peace. I have this Seracan steel donut, this pink bread bun, and I have this little bun or cream puff. I really don't know what it is. I have this Mojo koala bear. This squishy ammonite shell. Isn't it so pretty? I have this yellow sleeping hamster, as well as the other color. I have this pineapple. I have this sushi. This mocheli cupcake. Let's just move everything. The mess is actually real. This fish. I have this panda bun. And another panda bun. And I have this yummy bear donut. And then these two Punimaru ice creams. I lost my third one as well. And then I also have this Mo Jelly tiered cake. So I have this Christmas Hello Kitty donut. Focus please. I have this strawberry milk Hello Kitty donut. I have this non-repro chocolate with sprinkles donut. This chocolate with white drizzle Hello Kitty donut. This chocolate with sprinkles and white drizzle Hello Kitty donut. This light pink with chocolate drizzle non-repro Hello Kitty donut. I have this chocolate and sprinkles strawberry Hello Kitty donut. And I have this hot pink and white drizzle Hello Kitty donut. Oh, lastly, I also have this light pink and sprinkles Hello Kitty donut. Oh, the squishy's too strong. I have no more space. I have this Hello Kitty crepe squishy. This Hello Kitty brown bun. I have this brown Hello Kitty bun with this blue tag, so that's pretty good, right? Yeah. And I have this non-repro one. Red sticker, wow. I have this mini raspberry Hello Kitty donut. Oh, dog is licking me. Dog, please. Here's dog. Okay. I have this Hello Kitty X Chopper squishy. This Hello Kitty head bun. I have this Hello Kitty soap squishies. I have this Fat Mario squishy. I have this Hello Kitty Mount Fuji squishy. I have this Hello Kitty Tokyo mascot. I have this Hello Kitty onigiri. I have this Hello Kitty Union Jack squishy. I have this Hello Kitty and this sweet potato tart. I have this Hello Kitty and the apple. I have this Hello Kitty and a strawberry. I have this Hello Kitty in a mushroom costume. I have this Hello Kitty marble toast. I have this Hello Kitty donut, or this chocolate sprinkles Hello Kitty donut. I have this mini raspberry donut. I have my vintage I Bloom raspberry and tomato. I have my vintage I Bloom tangerine. It gets peeled like me, but I never get sunburned, so I don't get peeled. Ha! I have this I Bloom vintage I Bloom peach, fuzzy peach. I have this Cafe Dien non-repro kiwi dipped in chocolate. I have this I Bloom strawberry dipped in chocolate. I have this Hello Kitty tart sundae. I don't even know what it is anymore. Help. And I have this other ice cream sundae thing. Oh, that was a cupcake. Okay, that makes a lot more sense now. This is the sundae. I have this super baby nutty donut. Kuma tag. And finally, the end of my collection, I have my two babies. So this is the Hello Kitty bee. I'm gonna give it a squish. Oh, it's so small. And I have this Hello Kitty sunflower thing. Isn't it pretty? Yes. Oh, I was just kidding. I actually do have more squishies. I have a bunch of buns, man. Bun. Okay, more buns. Alright, so this is my entire squishy collection. I'm gonna show you guys this humongous pile. If I can actually, okay. So it's literally like so tall, and I'm gonna have such a great time cleaning everything up. But I really do hope you guys enjoyed my squishy collection, and please like and subscribe and comment something. Oh, here's a challenge. If anyone can figure out how many squishies I actually have, or the ones I just showed, then that's a fun challenge. I honestly don't know myself. I still have more squishies, but you know, they're just mainly duplicates. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a nice day. See you later. Bye. Hello. So yeah, this is me, and I'm silly. So there's going to be bloopers. So this is bloopers. Oh, everything is falling. Stay. We're loving you for quite some time. Dog, no, dog, please. Can you leave, please? Love, please. Leave, please. Oh no, they're both here now. Oh no, this is not good. I'm trying to film a squishy collection. Oh. Okay.